Thokoza tribe, greetings. This is your spiritual father, Dr. Prof. Mahina Mnguni, and you're still tuned into the spiritual fix. Okay, man, without wasting any further time, we'll come straight into today's topic. So, namhlanje bafethu esikhuluma ukuthi why abantu bangizwa isiphiwo sakho masuhambe ufuna usizo kuyelaphi, right? Kunomuntu mhlambe bongazi you want enlightened ngalesi siphiwo sakho lesi samadlozi, and then manje usuyahamba ufuna usizo like iy'nto zakho zivalekile, mhlawumbe ubuye esikoleni, secondary school, like nje it's a rough phase in your life, akuphaseki esikoleni, there's no progress, nje umnyama, you feel engathi nje impilo yakho isebumnyameni, ubambekile, right? And then now usuzuphakama-ke uhambe uye kumelaphi thizeni, yabo, imelaphi wendabuko, and then you're not going to seek help. Ufuna ukwazi ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani, indlebe ophayo kuvaleke kuphi, right? And then now masuhamba, right, okay, masufika kubelaphi, right, okay, like guys, ngizoyibeka ecace. There are only two reasons ukuthi why mawufika lapha bakujikela. And the first reason is that akanazo iy'mfanelo zokuthi akwelaphe. Sengisho wona amakhambi, sengisho zona iy'nkembo okumele uzidle ukuthi ulashwe. It can either be ukuthi akanazo iy'nkabi zokuthi ulashwe, noma it is because of envy and jealousy. Or they have this perception zokuthi mhlambe akangakunika lokho okufunayo, mhlambe uzoba mkhulu ukudlula yena, or uzobavalisa, or like those negatives, right? It's between jealousy and envy, right? Yeah. So iyona-ke into eyenza ukuthi umelaphi angakhoni ukukusila noma kube ney'nkinga when it comes to ukuthi akusize. Yebo, abanye bazokufaka amabhawu, uyafika, they will try and do things just to ukuthi mhlawumbe kube ne-light phezu kwendlela yakho, but then bazokufihlela ukuthi you are called, you are supposed to be healing people, and right now kumele kube kunama-transitions that you are going through in your life, but then because they can see, and it is people, they are foreseers, right? They can foresee, right? So bayayibona, bayalibona ikusasa lakho, and then bayabona namandla wakho, and then they can see ukuthi after years and years to come, they will see ukuthi okay, wena asingakunikeza le nto kwamuntu onjani, right? Because some people are called, and then some by this thing. So so for the cold ones, it is when now bakujikela, because uzokuyenza intando efuna idlozi lakho. Angithi the reason siphambuka noma sihlangana nabantu abafuna ukusitshontshela iy'phiwo zethu and then basijikele in the long run, it is because thina we misunderstood ama-instructions wamadlozi wethu. At times idlozi lafika likubonisa lithi mntanami yenza so, because idlozi lazikhulumela, guys. Ukubeka is only there to bloom you, angazi if now understand. Like she is only there, or he or she is only there to bloom you, just like a plant, guys. A plant goes from roots, and then liyaphuma now lifike emhlabeni, it sprouts into petals, right? And then seliyakhula-ke seliqedile. So inhloso kaGobela is to be there from your rooting phase to sprouting phase, and then also keep ama-petals. Now it is when now usukhulile, right? Some call it initiation, mhlawumbe so usukukhula kwakhe edlozini lowo. Sithi ukukhula kwakho, now you've moved from baby phase, you know, to adulthood, or to teenage phase, right? Like ukukhula kwakhe emoyeni, thokozani, nokukhula kwakhe ebungomeni, because singabantu benyama kodwa siphinde futhi sibe ngabantu bomoya, angithi thokozani. So now the problem now ashes emoyeni, right? Ukuthi okay, this guy energy yakhe ngathi inkulu kakhulu. Uthi okay, masingamnikeza amandla this guy uzosimosha lo. So that is the reason why most people block you guys. It is because nawe ngokwakho usuke ungawalaleli amahloso akho, because signs will be there and things will be said to you ukuthi bakubonise ukuthi okay manje kunenkinga, but then you will ignore that factor and then izohamba kule mahhala. And then in other cases, guys, more now it is greed and envy and jealousy, right? Yeah, and they don't want you to achieve your ancestors' plan for you, or to reach your desired destination, because in life we all have a purpose and your calling is with purpose. So the inhloso nje ukwenza lokho, it is to block your purpose, right? It is to block you from achieving your purpose. That is why they do that, guys. And then bayakuvimba ukuthi wena ungaphumeleli, ukuthi wena ungaphethisi inhloso noma intando yehlosi lakho, right? So that is the main biggest problem ehlupha abantu. And then enye ile ndaba yokuthi awusalandeleli umthetho wedlozi lakho. Yebo, angala amadlozi awafani, guys, kodwa mase sisuke sithatha into eyodwa, sisuke sifundisa into eyodwa, sisuke sithatha umthetho owodwa, guys. So yebo, uyafika lapha idlozi lakho linomthetho walo. Yebo, uyangena esikhupheni ubaphahlise and then bawugcine umthetho wabo, bahloniphe umthetho wakuloyo muzi loyo noma umthetho waleyo mbande leyo, and then bakufundise lokho kumele ukwazi, bakukhulise ngalokho kumele ukwazi. And then nawe masukhulile sekumele ubuyele ekhaya uchubeka nemisebenzi yakho. Sekumele-ke manje ubuyele futhi-ke manje uthathe umthetho wedlozi. This is when now thina kakhulu siyaphambuka. Kumele uchubeke bakubuyisele ekhaya, right? Amagodukiso kuyenzwe kube kahle, kuhambe kahle. And then masufika ekhaya usulahla manje umthetho wedlozi lakho, usuchubeka nemithetho yabantu. No, ungakhohlwa phela ukuthi this calling iyedlozi lakho. Yebo, baphiwe wena, you are the chosen one, kodwa inhloso ukuthi sizosebenza ngawe. That is the reason they chose you, so that they can use you to conquer or achieve their plans and missions in life, because you are sent here to save people. You are sent here to restore houses, to restore households. You are sent here to uletha ukukhanya, right? Because yeah, you are the chosen one. So thina-ke sesifika sesilahla-ke imithetho yedlozi, siphinde silahle imithetho esifundisiwe. And then now this is when now sekuba ney'nhlaka, kuba mnyama, kuyavaleka, bese kuhambeni kwendlela sakho ugcine nawe ungasazi ukuthi manje kuyenzakalani, ugcine usu-give up when it comes to your calling, ugcine ungasafuni next zokuhlanganisa nedlozi, ugcine nje ususebumnyameni ubunye nje ubunzima ubungachazeki. And then now it is where now kuba nzima for you ukuthi ubone indlela yaphambili noma to reach your purpose. So it is due to blockages. The reason they are doing this is because of blockages, guys. Bafuna ukublock from achieving your goals. So angithi no nedlozi elikhulu, no amadlozi wethu, guys, amadlozi adlozi. Wonke umuntu unedlozi lakhe elikhulu, wonke umuntu unesithunywa sakhe esikhulu, abe nesithunywa sakhe, abe ney'dalwa zakhe, guys. So angeke ngithi mhlawumbe idlozi lami likhulu ukudlula wena, noma abasekhaya bangcono ukudlula wena. No, that is not the case. But the case is inhliziyo yomuntu. Yes, inhliziyo iyaphila, inhliziyo iyakhuluma, right? So inkinga-ke isuke isenhliziyweni yomuntu uthi okay, usufikile lapha kuyena kodwa manje sekaqindezela manje-ke, it is due to le nhliziyo-ke abanayo. So it is advisable, guys, ukuthi in everything you do, because lo bizo lolu, it is indabuko kahle is it comes from home, right? Isiphiwe sisuke ekhaya kini bokhokho omkhulu nabokhokho. So it is a uniting structure which is brought upon you to build foundation and move you forward to become a better person in life. So that is why it is advisable, guys, to it. If you found out to okay unamadlozi or such things, go out there, consult, talk to your ancestors first before going to a healer. Consult. Batshele ukuthi okay nakhu-ke manje ngimtholile umanzini lapha uthi uzongisiza lapha ngicela ningi-highlight-eni yabo, so that if the person is not good for your soul bazokhona ukumsusa, because in most ways sambahamba siyalahleka because asiphahla asibatsheli. So if awungitsheli ngizokusiza kanjani? Explain it to me. If idlozi lakho aliyazi into ehlupha wena ngaleso sikhathi lizongenelela kanjani? Yebo kona bakhona basibhekile, kodwa makungekho okuthize okwenzayo noma bahlaziyele bazothula. So it is highly advisable ukuthi uphahle upon everything and everything that happens in your life. Uthola umsebenzi uphahla, uthenga imoto uphahla, uthenga ikhaya bika. The reason siphahla is because siyabika ukuthi okay bantu abadala sekunje ningamangali, ningavuleli izitha, ningalethi inkinga, cha sibhizi nento eso, kuthi nabo bazoba ne-clear understanding and meet you halfway. So guys, ngiyacela ukuthi let's be cautious with this and then let's try and fix our ways, because isikhathini esiningi sihamba siphambuka endleleni zethu, and then imistake yenzeka namhlanje wangayilungisi namhlanje izohlupha the next of generations to come, singasho izizukulwane njalo. So let's be careful upon everything that we do. And then suka lapho mawukubangisa isiphiwo sakho, suka lapho. It's not a good place for you. If you're having bad dreams, guys, amaphupho ayakhuluma. If you're having bad dreams and then umuntu wakhona umboni, but khona umuntu uyakuwe isikolo ephuphweni iphehlo, right? And then umuntu nje uzoba busy nawe iza agobela, guys, or sangoma. But mawubona isikolo nomuntu phakathi lapho kusuke ukugobela wonke loyo muzi loyo. So be careful, guys, because uzomphupha afuna ukukujudge. Yes, they are showing you ukuthi he is trying to steal your powers. No, ufuna ukuthatha umoya wakho lelo dlozi lakho. Yebo, move from that transition, move, because uzoli-ignore iphupho, ungene lapha uthwase kube ukuvaleka kwakho ngaphinde kulunge next empilweni yakho. So it is logic. It is logic, and then it is something that is straight. Your ancestors will not send you signs which are azibonakali kuwe. Bazama ngayo yonke indlela ilula ukuthi baxhumane nawe ukuthi wena ba-understand. So translations of dreams can be different for each and every one of us. So let's be careful. And then with that being said, guys, ngiyamthanda ngicela senze okuqondile ukuthi into zethu zizohamba kahle. We are all brought here to prosper. Sonke sizophumelela ngamunye kuya ngentando nangesikhathi sikaJehova, right? Yes, God and ancestors work together. It is not the other one. They work together for ancestors to be there. God needs to give life. So please ngicela ningaphambukini endleleni zenu. It is I, I love you all, guys. Then when it comes to the prophet, guys, this prophet is always something, but be careful with these churches. Be careful with these churches, because some other time bakhona abaprofethi, yebo abaprofethi izangoma bathanda sabenusi, yebo others baphiwe leso siphiwo leso, baphiwe iy'phiwo ezintathu: uyisangoma, uyinyanga, uwumthandazi, uyiprofethi. So bakhona nasemasontweni, right? And then ufike wena kanti isithunywa sakho sizobhoboka lapho, kula uzophumuka khona, la uzokhuphuka khona amandla wakho avele usebenze lapha abantu ichubeke ibuso lwakho. So be careful with these churches, because others they see and then they try to block your ways. Khona lapha esontweni thiwe sebakufaka amabhavu, sekenzakalani, sebahlangane ngawo bayakhuleka phezulu. Be careful, guys, because if we tend to ignore these things, so please, let's be careful, and then let's do everything right. And then when it comes to a spiritual guide, the spiritual guide is only there to shed light and offer hands shuthi uyakusiza kuphela. Besides that, ayikho inhloso yakhe this. There's no reason. There's no reason for him to exist in your life. So he's there to shed light and support you and then give you understanding to where you lack understanding. Besides that, you're in for a deep hole. So gada with your circle, your relationships, be careful of how you handle those things, guys. Because if we ignore such things, in the long run, they come back and then they destroy us. So, yeah, let's be careful, love and light. It is me, your boy, Thokozile Mayini. I'm going to also known as Dr. Prof. Mayini. You can check me out on all socials at Thokozile Mayini. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel at Mayini Mnguni Media. And yeah, man, until then, love and light. One love. So was that me.